Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, July 8th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound dollar did continue to make higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher low, higher high. Simple structure following would have told you to continue to look for longs all day long. There was definitely no reason on the higher time frames to think this uptrend is over. The fact that we're closing so much above the 78% Fibonacci retracement on the daily time frame also tells me that we will most likely take out the 100% high on the daily. I definitely still think this is a wave 3, and I am definitely still very bullish. Now, if it does break structure to the downside, it probably is indicating that we're in a correction to the uptrend, and maybe if you're a scalper, you could try to go short for the continuation of that correction to the downside. But I definitely think the safer, better money is, even if it does break structure to the downside, to try to look for long opportunities at the end of three-way pullbacks. If it never breaks structure to the downside, definitely continue to look for three-way pullback corrections on the shorter time frame for the continuation of the uptrend. At least until we get a break of structure to the downside on at least a 4-hour time frame, I'm definitely very, very bullish. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website, FX Pip Collector, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.